Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix error code 1 in the Minecraft launcher. This common issue often stems from Java conflicts or corrupted game files. We'll start with the simplest solutions. First, try restarting your computer and then the Minecraft launcher. This can often resolve temporary glitches. Next, verify that your Java installation is current and matches the requirements for your specific Minecraft version, as outdated Java is a frequent culprit. Let's delve deeper into Java and game file integrity. Confirm that your Java version is 64-bit if your operating system is also 64-bit, as this is crucial for optimal performance. If simply updating Java doesn't work, a complete reinstallation can often clear up persistent problems. Additionally, utilize the Minecraft launcher's built-in repair tools or consider a fresh reinstallation of Minecraft itself to address any corrupted game files. Now, let's talk about performance and potential conflicts. You can often improve stability by increasing the amount of RAM allocated to Minecraft. Navigate to the launcher's installation settings and adjust the Java arguments to allocate more memory, perhaps up to 4 GB if your system allows. Also, ensure your graphics drivers are fully updated, as outdated drivers can cause various errors. Finally, check for any third-party software that might be interfering. For more persistent issues, we move to advanced troubleshooting. Consider deleting your Minecraft folder entirely, but remember to back up your save files first. This forces the launcher to download all game files anew, often resolving deep-seated corruption. Temporarily disabling your antivirus or firewall can also help identify if they are blocking the game. If all else fails, reach out to the official Minecraft support forums for personalized assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.